In this work example, we will explore ways to use the Inspyra panel in combination with Matched Series Analysis. If you're not familiar with Inspyra, take a look at this video for an introduction. Matched Series Analysis goes beyond matched pair analysis and uses longer series of matched compounds to propose new substitutions that are likely to improve activity. In Startup, open the project file DPP4 project by selecting Open from the File menu. Change to the DPP4 extended series dataset by clicking on the tab at the bottom. This dataset contains 293 compounds that were generated by expanding the same series as in the previous work example. Open the Inspyra panel by clicking on the arrow button. The Inspyra panel provides a way to interactively explore suggestions for new compounds generated with matched series analysis that are likely to improve activity, even when a corresponding predicted model is not available. Matched series analysis requires experimental data on a sufficient number of compounds with which to analyze the structure-activity relationships within the chemical series of interest. As the DPP4 project progressed, more compounds were synthesized and tested, resulting in a larger dataset, making it suitable for matched series analysis. Select the PIC50 DPP4 from the Property menu in the top left of the Inspyra panel. This will display the message Running Matched Series Analysis. When complete, the ideas that appear will display the percentage chance of improving the activity and whether the new idea is likely to increase or decrease the PIC50 for DPP4. A red border around an idea indicates an idea that is likely to increase the activity relative to other compounds in the same matched series. A blue border indicates an idea that is likely to decrease the activity. The intensity of the color indicates the probability of this change. In this case, we wish to increase the PIC50 for our primary target, so like or select ideas with red borders and dislike or ignore ideas with blue borders. You will find that the ideas presented will quickly be dominated by ideas that are more likely to increase the PIC50. These work examples have explored a variety of ways to work with Inspyra in Startup. Additional work examples for other Startup modules and features are available from the Optibrium community.